Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best Ninja blenders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Ninja Blenders. Our top pick of the best Ninja blenders is the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. This Ninja blender makes it easy to break down whole fruits and vegetables. A manual pulse function crushes ice, grinds seeds and nuts, and blends frozen ingredients smoothly. If you are looking for the best Ninja blenders, then you have come to the right place for considering which ones to buy. Number 5. Nutri Ninja Mega Blending and Food Processing. The convenient timer lets you monitor the progress of the Auto IQ program. Nutrient and vitamin extraction with the Nutri Ninja's Pro Extractor blades and powerful motor base. Main features: high-quality blends, powerful 1200 watt. Auto IQ gives consistent. Number 4. Ninja BL455_30 Nutri Professional Personal Blender. Sip and seal lids fit on Nutri Ninja cups to take your food on the go. Cups and blades are dishwasher safe and BPA free. 2 sip and seal lids, and instruction book sip. Main features: 24-ounce cup, 1000 watt motor, Pro Extractor blades. Number 3. Ninja Personal Blender for Shakes. Frozen blending, crush through ice and frozen fruit for cold drinks and smoothies. 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups, 2 sip and seal lids and 30 recipe inspiration guide. Main features: dishwasher safe, cord length 36 inches, 700 watt power pod. Number 2. Nutri Ninja Personal Blender. Twist on a lid for easy on-the-go sipping. Use a damp cloth to wipe the motor base clean. Crush ice, seeds and frozen ingredients at the touch of a button. 30 recipe inspiration guide. Main features: Auto IQ programs. Extract nutritious smoothies. Powerful 1000 watts. Number 1. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids are perfect for creating personalized. Includes one 1100 watt base. Main features: 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, BPA-free parts single serve blade, dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.